This is just a quick explanation of how to use the checklists for our class. Now, as you can see, this is the checklist for the first 2 weeks. And in the work assigned during the first 2 weeks, you had the possibility to earn about 58 points. Some people might have had more than 58, but that isn't relevant at the moment. This is our new checklist, which has 77 more points available. So in total, Blackboard sees 130.4, but in total there are really 135 points available so far. You don't need 135 points. You need 90 points to get an A grade. So since there are currently 77 points available on this sheet alone, meaning from the first exam, the midterm progress survey, and the remaining discussions and quizzes and papers and assignments, that means you could do everything on this checklist if you had not done anything yet this semester, and you would get 77 points, which means you would get a C+. There's nobody that doesn't have any points yet, so depending on the number of points that you have, you use the second checklist as a menu and think, well, I have, for example, if you're an overachiever, I have 58 points, so I would like to get 40 more points. What would I like to do to earn the remainder of my points? I think I will choose the exam, and that means I'll only need about 38 more points. So I'll do the survey because you can't go wrong with that. So now I need 35 more points. And I'd like to do a presentation, so that'll bring me down to 25 points that I need. And I would like to do the second paper because it's creative. Okay, so now I only need 15 points to get an A. And I really like Malcolm X, so I'll do the Malcolm X film and discussion. Now I only need 10 points. This multimedia quiz is about Malcolm X. That brings me down to less than 6 points. And there's one more quiz on Malcolm X and the quiz on the Malcolm X film. Boom. I'll just choose those things and I have enough points for an A in the class. Therefore, I didn't have to do Trevor Noah or Binti or Essential Hip Hop or any of these other things. I just chose what I wanted to do to earn the points total that I wanted. If you have any questions, send me an email.